Okay, so for the first four here, we're writing the formula for the following compounds. So for number one, we've got dinitrogen trioxide. Is that an ionic compound or molecular? It's molecular. We got prefixes, we got two nonmetals. All right, so we've got nitrogen and we've got oxygen, okay? And di means two, so there's two nitrogens. Tri means three, there's three oxygens. There's our formula, N2O3 for 1 mark. Okay, for question number two, we've got calcium chloride. Ionic or molecular? It's ionic. Calcium is a metal. Okay, so when we have an ionic compound, we want to write the charges beside our two elements, and then what do we do with those charges? Drop and swap. All right, so the 2 goes here, the 1 goes there, but we don't write ones. We got CaCl2. Okay, if you got questions as we go, don't be afraid to ask. For number 3, we have another ionic compound because copper is a metal, and we have a Roman numeral. We only ever have those in ionic compounds. Okay, so we have copper and we have nitride. Okay, what does the Roman numeral tell me? Right, which copper I'll be using. In other words, which charge to write beside copper. In this case, the 2+ charge, not the 1+. Nitrogen is always a -3, so we drop and swap. The 2 will go here, the 3 will go here. Our formula will be Cu3N2. Okay, and question number 4, magnesium is a metal, so again, this is an ionic compound. Okay, so we've got Mg, and we've got sulfate, which is a polyatomic ion. So we had to look in our table of polyatomic ions for that one. It's SO4. Okay, guys, anytime something ends in anything other than "ide," okay, if it's ite, ate, okay, something like that, it's a polyatomic ion, right? Always know to look there instead. All right, so we've got 2+, this is -2. So when we drop and swap this, do we need to do anything? Nope, it's good the way it's written because those things already add up to 0. So MgSO4 is the correct answer for that one. Okay. Do I need brackets on that one? No, I didn't need to put any numbers outside of them. All right, for the naming ones. Okay, so for question number 5, we've got sulfur and bromine, 2 nonmetals. So this is a molecular compound. Okay, we don't write a prefix. Well, we don't write mono for the first one. So this is just going to be sulfur tribromide. I'm going to be nice today. I won't be nice next time. It shouldn't be capitalized. Next time, if it's capitalized, it will be wrong. So make sure if you capitalize things that you start breaking that habit. Okay, question number 6. We've got lithium and oxygen. Lithium is a metal, so this is an ionic compound. I don't need any prefixes. This is just going to be lithium oxide. Okay, don't need any Roman numerals or anything like that because lithium only has one possible charge. The next one, however, I am going to need a Roman numeral because iron can be a 2+ or a 3+, and I have to figure out which one it is. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is write iron nitride, because those are the 2 parts of it. And then I've got to figure out what the charge on the iron is. Nitrogen's always -3, so in this case, the charge on iron must be +3. That's the only way for that compound to balance and have a charge of 0. Okay, so this is iron Roman numeral 3 nitride. And finally, we've got sodium, which is a metal, and a polyatomic ion, so definitely an ionic compound. All right, so we write sodium nitrate for that one. All right, give them a mark out of 8 at the top, let them see it, and then I would like them handed in right here, please.